Welcome to Part 1 of the Design and Technology Lab's CNC Router Guide. This video will provide you with a fundamental understanding of the CNC router, its functions, and capabilities. CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control. In broad terms, it is the automated control of machining tools by means of a computer. A CNC router translates a series of line code to move a router spindle to various locations and depths. In other words, you can think of the CNC router as a mechanical sculptor which carves away at material according to your design. Except, instead of a person using hand or power tools, the CNC router is digitally instructed to remove material in a controlled manner. CAD programs are used to create the design, which is then sent to a CAM program to translate those designs into G-code instructions for the CNC router. It is capable of performing a variety of different milling operations on most hard materials, including wood, composites, aluminum, plastics, and foams. In CNC routing, this material is referred to as stock. The Design and Technology Lab operates a 3-axis CNC router which accommodates up to 60 by 120 inches in sheet size and up to 8 inches in thickness. The 3 axes are X, Y, and Z, which allow the router tool to move left to right, front to back, and vertically from the CNC bed. The CNC router's milling operations can be broken down into 2 subcategories: 2D milling operations and 3D milling operations. 2D milling operations involve cuts along the X and Y axes, including engraving, pocketing, and profiling a piece of stock. These operations remove material at a set depth. In other words, the Z-axis is fixed. 3D milling operations involve cuts that follow all 3 axes and usually include a roughing and finishing pass. Such operations are used to mill 3-dimensional or multi-tiered designs on a piece of stock. It's important to understand that there are a variety of router bits and digitally controlled settings available to generate specific results for your design. With this foundational understanding of the CNC router and its functions, you can now move on to Part 2 of the CNC Router Guide, developing your CAD file.